Hi, today I will show you how to correctly use Julie emulator in Siemens SID 803 ECU from PSA Group. First, open the ECU and take it out of the cover. Remove the screws. On the other side, you can find the EEPROM memory. In order to have better access to it, carefully lift the plastic cover and put something under it. Mark the location of the first memory leg. Unsolder it and use a programmer to read its content. While reading the content, pay attention to the location of the first memory leg. Now, find line 020 in the content that you read and remember the values marked in yellow in the text section. Solder the memory back. Now, write the values that you read from the ECU into the external 24C02 memory. Write them in the text section, paying attention to letter size. Solder jumpers J1, J2, J4, J5 and the J6 in Julie emulator. Now unsolder L9637D chip from the emulator and solder the external 24C02 memory in its place according to the picture. Solder the wires from the emulator to the ECU. Ground, power, CAN high, CAN low. If you want to check on the table if Julie is working correctly, connect the ECU according to the pinout that you see on the screen. Turn on ignition. Blue LED on the emulator lights constantly and blinks every other second. White LED is power. Secure the emulator against water and physical damage and place it outside the ECU. To do this, you can drill a hole in the ECU cover and drag the wires through it. That's all. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.